What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Wednesday night stream. Yes, this is not Apex. I'm not doing Apex right now. Maybe later, but not just yet. So I yesterday got to a certain point here and was able to iterate over the JSON object that I had and create some images from that file, but I didn't really like that approach. Didn't like it at all. So I did a little research today so that I can make things better. Yes, I want to make them better. I want to fix my champion model. I want to fix the characters page, which should be champions, but whatever, characters page. And I want to fix a couple of the warnings that I've been getting from ESLint about not declaring a return type. So there's some things I want to clean up. So first thing I want to do is I want to create this new model here. So this was the model we created as of yesterday, and we were just messing around. We were trying this library we had brought in. All right, so I did a little research and I found this website, JSON to TS to TypeScript. So it actually you put in the JSON object and it generates the basic TypeScript model for you. So that's what I'm using here, and that's what I'm using. Right on. So I'm going to delete all this, and now I have this. So this is my new model. Probably doesn't... Whoa. What happened? What happened? What is going on? Why? Oh, why? There we go. Still... Why is there an extra space between everything? That was weird. Oh boy. Oops. Not that. So basically the website that I used parsed the JSON object and created properties from everything. So now for our champion model, and we're just going to leave it all in one file for now, but for the champion model, we actually have 3 different types that we've created. We have the champion itself, we have our stats, and we have image. Oh, I'm sorry, there's 4, and we have info. We're going to be using a lot of this stuff, but for now, we're mostly concerned with the champion and with really just the champion and their name. Those are the only things we really want right off the bat, but this is what we're going to work with for now. Okay, that's great. So we got that. It's awesome. So we have our new champion model. This is our League of Legends champion. Now we want to update characters to use this new model, right? Because right now it uses the old one. So let's fix this. So I'm gonna I don't need this anymore, because I'm going to do this a little differently. I don't want to decode the JSON object here. If I decode it in this component, then there's over 100 of them. Then showing the images on there could be a delay because I've got to decode this every time. So I'm going to use my JSON that I have as kind of like state for the app. And I'm going to pass that around, or as props for the app. And I'm going to pass that around from the initial load and we'll get to that. But first, we're going to turn this around. So we want to add an interface here, and we want to, because we need some props here. So we're declaring our type here, and we're gonna get our champions, which is gonna be an array of champions. So we're gonna get this prop, we're gonna pass it down, and it's gonna be an array of champions. So here, we're gonna say champions. We're gonna get the props that are passed in. Champions. Okay, and it is going to be of type character props. Okay. And now we're gonna change this. Now we can change this, and this is just we're doing things here. We're just gonna change this to champions. So nothing here, no big changes here yet. I'm gonna change this to champ. All right, so nothing crazy on this page. We're just expecting the champions to be passed in, and that'll work. But now, it got a couple of other things here going on. I want to get rid of this, right? I'm tired of this error here. I need to get rid of this error, and I think I can do const characters equals react dot function component. And character props like that does not exist. Okay, so doesn't like that. No, const characters. Parsing error expected. Equals. I don't think I need that anymore. There we go. We got rid of it. Oh, we figured it out. I knew kind of what it was. All right, so we changed this around. We're using the arrow function format here. We've defined here, still we're defining our characters, our component. But here, we're saying that we're declaring the type, React. And this is FC is short for function component. And then inside here, we put in the props type, so which is our character props. So it's kind of changed the signature around the way it looks, but function-wise, this is working exactly the same. Okay, so this is great, right? Oops. So we've got our new models. We've updated characters to use those new models. Man, we are breezing through this. If we go to npm start, let's see what's going on. I start the development server. And here's the page. Let's click on characters. And we got an error. Stack frames were collapsed. Okay. I don't really know what that means, but we're not passing anything down. So let's fix that. So I don't. So function apps, function components. Let's see here. Wait, why is that? There you go. Let me see. Does a function component life cycle. Does it have a life cycle for a function component? No, I don't think so. So I believe that I need to change this here. Class app extends component. I believe I need to add that. Class. Oh, I don't need the let's get rid of this too. Okay, so now I've got to make some changes in here. So this has to be a render function. It's no longer just a return. Okay. Parsing error, parameter declaration, expect. Oh, you know what? It goes like this, right? Yeah, there we go. That's how you define it. Okay. So there we go. So now we have our return. Okay. There we go. So we have that, but we've got to mix things up here a bit. So header is defined, but never, see, I don't, it is used. It's right there. Okay, so let's import JSON object from JSON data from our champion. So now we have our JSON object coming in here. I also need to create so I need to create an interface here at props champions champion. Okay. Okay. So now we've got this here. Now I believe do that, right? Where is this? Oh. Okay, so this is not right. Okay. Let's look that up here. So we want React class component TypeScript. I don't. So. All right. I'm just gonna do this here. I'm gonna say champions. Okay. Give it a default value. Nothing. Now I'm gonna do in component will mount. So when the app first tries to mount, I am going to parse this object and make it something. So this.champions equals object. So I want to get the values from JSON object data. Here we're gonna dot map item, and we're gonna return. Oh no, here, let's see. Yeah, return item as champion. Okay, so now, we should be creating our champions object here, and now I can give this to the page when the page is called to actually do something with it. All right, so right here, now I can't just call the component. I have to do this as a function, and I don't think now I have to the characters champions equals this dot champions, and then now close it. Bada bing, bada boom, everything lines up. Think. No, it didn't like something there. So component path characters component champions. No, that keeps giving it to me. Okay, whatever. Oh, I don't need this, and I don't need that. There we go. There we go. What is this? Missing return type. Okay, so we're gonna return a JSX element. Hey, it should work. We should have stuff on our page, right? Yeah, look at that. So now here's the home, and now we have all of our images. What? So everything is showing up now. So we changed things around. We added a component will mount. We've taken this JSON data. We're mapping it to return all of the values in there as our type, which is a champion. We're taking that, and when the route champion is selected, then this data is passed in to it. Oops. And in here, it takes that data and uses it here to create our image. Now we're gonna change this here because I hate this hard-coded thing. So let's go ahead and change that real quick. Oops, oopsies, oopsies. Is there a quick way to close node modules? Because that is a real pain in the butt that opens all the time. All right, source. All right, new folder, utilities. Okay. So inside utilities, new file. Here we're gonna say URL builder .tsx, and inside our URL builder, we're gonna close that and open it up here, and we're gonna say function. Wait, no. So we're gonna say export const image URL. We're gonna pass in a name, which is a string, and our return type is going to be a string, right? Const image URL equals. I'm pretty sure I'm telling it to return a string. All right, so we did right here, right here. Oh, okay, okay. So I think it can get it from that. Const image URL void is not assignable to type string. Okay. There we go. There we go. Like that. Yes, I meant to call the expression. Here, we're going to return. And we're going to return this here. And here, we're just going to return the name. It doesn't like this. Did you mean to call this const equals string is not assignable. Do I take this out like this? Oops. Like that? Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Arrow, function, TypeScript. Okay, okay. Ow, 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 ow. Ooh. Ouch. Okay, I'm looking at a website here. I mean, do I not even need this? Okay. Grammar name implicitly has any type. I know. I tried to do that. You didn't like it. String is not assignable to type string. Okay. Now it's just now it just says missing return type on function. Are you serious? I had that. Whatever. Okay. Nothing should change. It should still be there. And it's still there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Nice. So here we go. We click on this. And ooh. Ooh. Why did it do that? I don't know. Anyway. Cool. Works. So there we go. I'm going to refactor this. Image. So whatever. Like I want to call that something else. I want to nest it in a type. They have static functions, JavaScript. Okay, so do class builder. Export default. Class builder. And here we're going to say static There we go. This won't work anymore. So let's say builder dot. Import builder. Okay, now everything should work, right? And it does. Okay. So we have our utility. That's our builder for us. We're gonna have to build other URLs. So this is just the first one. We pass it in the champ ID, and actually we could just say default image URL. I like that. I like that better because that's more representative of what it's actually doing. So, all right. So now we've got our default image URL for these champions. We're displaying it on the screen, and it looks like it's supposed to. Great. So now I have been toying with. So we have this. Missing return type on a function, but this is this is only on missing return type on a function. React TypeScript. So it has something potentially to do with types. Oops. Have that. I'm good with that. So render. So I already looked this up before. So missing return type. This is the one. So accessibility modifiers are. I don't need an accessibility mod. So this is what I need, the types. Let's check if those are there. Package JSON. No, that's not it. It's in tsconfig, right? No, it's in I don't know where it is. Oh, here, types React DOM. Okay, it's there. Like, so I'm not sure why I'm getting this error. It seems like I shouldn't have to do that. Seems like I shouldn't have to do that for those files, right? It seems like I should already do that. All right. Now let's Google this one. I really want to clean these up. React is defined, but never used. Okay. I don't think any of these are what I'm looking for. It's different. The joys of programming: 10% code, 90% documentation, Stack Overflow. Hey, Rush, maybe you know. Look, check it out. So I'm getting this ESLint error here on React. React is defined but never used. So I just need to go. I mean, that'll get rid of that and make it to where I use it, and then I don't need that. It's fine. But like, how do I get rid of these other ones, like header? I'm using it here, but I'm using it here, but it's giving me an error here on the import. Same with router and route. Characters, same with characters. So all of these are actually being used, but it's not, yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. Here it goes. This is because ESLint doesn't know that this is a React app, and it doesn't know that things we imported are components, not variables. We need a little extra plugin in here to fix that. So we need our ESLint plugin React. Okay, don't I already have that? ESLint plugin prettier. Oh, okay. Let's install this. Let's do it. No, I don't want to globally. Okay. Let us try that. What's up, Yoshi? What's going on? How you doing? We're trying to fix this error here that says that these are not imported. But so now if I do that, will that fix that? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close this and reopen it. Making music? Nice. Okay, it did fix it. Look, so they're gone. So they're gone. Nice. npm start. No, it's not gone. Where's this plugin at? This plugin's not even here. Oh, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up here. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall that. Okay. To reinstall it. And let's see. This will install the plugin we need, but we need to tell ESLint that we want this plugin to help us out. In our ESLint config file, All right, so let's see if we have those. Extends. Plugin. Okay, so we want to add here plugin React recommended. Okay. Really? It's deprecated? Well, missing return type. Yes, that's just the rule. We close it again. Open it again. Yikes. Use unsafe component will mount instead? Really? That's weird. That's kind of a weird call, right? All right, let's see. Unsafe. That? All right, so we still have to do that. I don't care. I'm just gonna do that. Element. That gets rid of my thing. All right, I'm just gonna do that. Gets rid of the errors. Okay, so oh, look at that. It got rid of the ones up here though. It got rid of the ones up here. Okay, that's the one we were trying to get rid of. That's the one we were trying to get rid of. Okay, so now all of these files should get rid of that. Okay, okay. Yeah. Oh wait, what? What's going on here? Calls a defined callback function on each element in the array and returns an array. Champions.mass champions. Do I need to do this? What? What do you mean champions.map is missing in props? And then what do you missing? Oh, okay, I get it. Key is fine. Key equals champ dot ID. How are you? Are you making a game companion app? Yes, I am. I'm learning React. I'm an iOS engineer by day. I'm learning React and I'm building something that I think is fun. So it has to do with games, building it for League of Legends. And, you know, there's a lot of data available for League of Legends. So that's what we're building it for. Just to learn building components and hitting the API. So eventually we are going to be hitting the API as well. What's up, Weemy? How you doing? League of Legends. Yes, yes it is. We are building a React site with League of Legends. Champions is... Hey, like... all of a sudden... There we go. I just had to do that. Just had to do that. Easy. Easy. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and commit this. Commit. All right. Updates to... What am I updating? I updated to models and champions. Update to ESLint plugin. And see, I always do single quotes. I normally code on a Mac, so I always do single quotes. All right, so git status. All right, we're clean. Yoshi says, I wish I started to learn React this summer, but in the end, I made music instead. Hey, Yoshi, everybody loves music, man. Music is amazing. That's awesome that you do that. Dude, what's up, 9? What's going on? It's that time again. Gotta get Thor a treat. Is Thor in here? Yeah, he is. Yes, he is. Let me get him a treat. Get your treat, buddy. Come on. Come on. All right. This is Thor. And 9 redeemed. Give him a treat. Here you go, buddy. It's all yours. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah? Is that good? Good boy. All right. Weemy, React is fun. It's interesting. It's interesting. I'm coming from iOS and learning, iOS and Swift and all that strongly typed language, coming over to JavaScript. Part of the reason I'm using TypeScript, just to have types, to be more familiar with that. Thor's my BFF. Yes, he is. Thor loves you, 9. All right. I don't know. I don't even know what to do next. Like, I got everything that I wanted to do. So, if this method will not stop working in React 17. Note the presence of get snapshot before prevents this from being invoked. What do you, if this is being deprecated, what am I supposed to use in its place? Like, okay. All right, so now, iOS. I love iOS. I love working on it. Well, I do Mac too, Mac and iOS. So, yeah, it's been a lot of fun, but I can't do iOS on stream yet, so I've been doing React. I'll be doing React here for a little while to get things up and running for this this stream and stuff, and then eventually I'm going to be doing some iOS programming on here as well. So that'll be really cool too. Okay, so we've got all this. Oh, you know what I want to do? All right. So I have no idea who these people are. Right? There's nothing there. So I need to create a new component for each one that has this image, and then like underneath it, I want it to have a name. Is component did mount not deprecated? Try it. Okay. It worked. Thank you, Weemy. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Component did mount is not deprecated, but component will mount is deprecated. Okay. All right, so I want a new component that has the image, and underneath it, it has the name. All right. So I want it to have the image, and then underneath it, I want it to have the name. Let's go to our components here. Let's create a new component, which we're gonna call this champion card. All right, so here we're gonna have our champion card. Am I gonna need to have state here? No, but I'm gonna need to have props. So I'm gonna do an interface champion card props. And for this, I don't care about anything except for a name and an image URL. Whoa, That was super loud and it startled me. Thanks for the follow, Weemy. Thank you, I appreciate it. Hopefully I can learn something from you or confirm my own knowledge. Dude, that was loud. Like, I don't even know why that was so loud. I wonder if I made this. I bet you I got a oh, cursing not allowed. Yeah, it's a family friendly. You know, I got kids. They might show up every once in a while to check things out. So sound source, I think that's what it is. No, it's not sounds, it's my alerts. My alerts, which are gonna be this alert box. Right? So how do I turn the volume down in the alert box? I should have read the chat rules instead of just clicking OK. Hey, no worries. I appreciate it. No worries. No worries. We're a very forgiving bunch here. I'm trying to turn that down. So it's the alert box. There it is, alert box. 75. All right, there we go. Volume has been turned down on that. We're going to go ahead and turn it down a little bit more. All right, so there we go. Now it's turned down. Now it's a lot lower than it was. Fantastic. Good call. Good call. It's still really loud. Still really loud. I don't feel like it's going down at all. No worries. See, I don't even have the monitor on for that. Like, why? Is it lower, Weemy? Are you getting it lower? Not really? Okay, I didn't think so either. I think it's this one actually. So many sound things on here. I have no idea which one it actually is. Like, usually I don't even hear it. Oh, wait. Let's do that again. Okay, it's coming out of... Okay, it's coming out of my mixer. So... what the heck is picking it up? Chat, music, game, samples. Wonder. Oh, I'm probably outputting this whole thing to game. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. It's gonna affect everything though. I think it's this. Yeah. There we go. All right, last time, because I think this fixed it. Yeah, there we go. That fixed it. That fixed it, I think. One more time. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I can live with that. I can live with that. That's not going to give me a heart attack. Okay, so. All right. Thanks, Weemy. Thanks for Dude, Weemy, thanks for all the follows. Thank you. Thanks for all the follows. All right. Let's get this const champion card. C champion card props equals champion. We'll just call this a champion. Sure. Champion. Yeah, it's fine. That's fine. All right, champion card props. Okay. So here we're gonna return. What are you saying here? Probably never used. Property does not exist on type. Oh, cool. Name. Image URL. Great. I've never been thanked this many times for a follow. First time for everything. I definitely appreciate it. All right, so I'm gonna create a div here to hold everything. All right, so this is gonna be card holder. Okay. So there's gonna be the card holder. And then here we're going to have our image. We're just gonna borrow this here. Ooh, actually, we're also gonna need an ID. All right, I forgot we need that ID too. So here, this is gonna be for the ID. This is also gonna be the ID, and this is gonna be the name. Okay. Builder. Okay. What do you mean you can't? Oh, okay. I didn't import it. There we go. I'm not gonna even worry about an image URL. That's retarded for the other page to have to do that. But yeah, it's nice whenever a viewer helps out with stream settings. It completely is. I love coding too because I'm learning this. So when somebody actually helps me with the code, champion card. Okay. So here we have our card, and right now it's just an image. So here, instead of this, we're going to return champion card ID. Actually, return champion card ID equals champ ID. No, yeah. Then name equals champ.name. Are gonna have to put a key in here. Key equals champ ID. Okay. Add anymore. If we do this, add anymore. Nothing. It should just. Should just work. Well, worked. All right. I think this guy, I need to change this. Display. Can't I update this inline? No. Display inline. No. I can relate to that. I love when I get help from my viewers too whenever I'm stuck on something. That's what this is all about, right? Also, you shouldn't use expressions like retarded. Oh, that's very true. That's very true. Thank you for pointing that out. Very true. Okay, I like that. But I don't like how they're all on a single line now. Block. I thought inline block should work. Flex, inline, grid, table. Flex, block, inline. WebKit inline box. No. Hmm. Oh, is it like tile? Does tile work? It's kind of cool. Let me just go through them all. Ah. Contents, flow, root, grid. This is really cool. Well, I created another problem. Oh, that's fine. What if I did that and then the width 100%? Where's my percent? All right, so now no, I thought that would contain it. Shoot. Okay. Say wrap HTML elements. Wrap HTML div. Nope, I don't want a word wrap. Flex wrap. That didn't even show up. Is that even... Display. Flex. Doesn't like that one. Shoot. Also, that doesn't work. How to make div to wrap Div style. It's a common problem when you have two floats. Block. And then this guy, did this guy go away? No. Like I can't add to it. Here we go. What do I need to do? Float. Flex wrap. Wrap. Oh. Try that up here. Flex wrap. Wrap. Flex. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at that. I like it. All right, so I'm guessing if I did get rid of that. Oh, man, look at that. I love it. All right, so that was for... That was for this guy. Okay. Here we're going to say class name equals characters. Okay. So now I need to create new file, CSS. Flex wrap. Oh, and then I had to do display, not inline, flex. Wait a minute, what? Well, I thought that's what I did. All right. Okay. Div class. It's not. Like, why is there no styling? This is weird. Like, that has a class. Oh, hello, McFly. No, I didn't import my styling. I forgot to import it. Because I added a style for it. Characters.css. There we go. Now I should have styling. All right, now I click on. There we go. There we go. See? See? All right. Also, I want to align this. I think this will work. Align. Center. No. No. Okay. So here. I don't want that. I want this down here. No. Oh, it's justify content, right? Justify content. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So we want to justify content. I gotta let my dog out, guys. Hold on. Okay. Now, one last thing I want to do. Do you want to put this as width 100%, height 100%. Right, I want those to fill the page because I'm also going to do a background color here of black so that it fills in these things around it. And now it looks pretty sick actually. I really like this. Let's close this. Look at that. Wow. That's looking good. That's looking good. Okay. Now I still got to get that name card under here. I got to do something with that. Okay, so champion card. Let's go back to you. Go here. I haven't put any CSS for that yet, but I'm also going to have right here some kind of card, some kind of component under here. You know what? This might be a good time to look at styled components. This is a free library. It's very popular, and it provides a lot of style already for you. Let's see. I wanted to see what was available. Give me something. I want to see. I want to see what's available. Like I don't know. I want to see some of the components, you know? Okay. Oh. So this is CSS and JS. Romantic. Interesting. The company I work for to do my iOS, this is like our recommended one that we use. So this allows me to do styling in CSS or style in JavaScript. Wow. My mind is blown right now. It is straight blown. I did not know. I didn't understand. Didn't understand, man. I understand now. Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. Name cards CSS. So I want to do like this name underneath, and I want it to kind of be fancy. I don't. I mean, I'm calling it a card. There's no styling on it, but no, this is not really what I'm looking for. I really just want like the name tag, just the bottom name tag. Name tag, I guess. Maybe name tag? Maybe. Well, label. I'm really not getting I'm I'm really not getting what I want here. This is really showing me different stuff. All right. CSS name box. All right. So what I think I'm going to need is to actually create an image for this. I think that's what I need. Okay, so let's go here. Let's go here. Let's inspect this. What's the size of our image? 308 is the width. Okay. So I'm just going to create something fast here. New. We're going to do width 308. And we're going to do the height is going to be, I don't know, 50? You think that's too small? Let's just do 100. We can always make it smaller, right? That's too wide for sure, but okay. All right, so I want to create a rectangle. I don't know much about GIMP, so I think if I... Oh, definitely not what I wanted to do. Where is... That's crop. Oh. Rectangle selected. So the height here is just 265. Now the color of... I don't know if I want to do black. That'd be really cool if I could choose the color based on the person. But should I do this color? Just, I think this color will look good. Let's try that. All right, let's get my color picker because I don't remember what color that is. Let's copy that out. Let's do this. I don't know what I just did. Hey, Control D. I don't know what Control D does in here. All right. All right, so now... All right, let's see if I can get in here closer. Okay. This isn't doing what I want it to do. Oops. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let's Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Okay, why is it not allowing me? Ay, ay, ay. See, I don't think this is doing what I want it to. I don't think this is what I expect. I want to draw a line. I want to draw a line. Pencil. Okay. Not doing what I wanted to either. Okay. So let's change this. Need this to be black. What's really going on here? Don't they have a shape? Path. I did not find the card tag thing yet, no. Well, now this is doing what I want it to do. All right. This software is not doing what I want it to do. All right, so what if I did another rectangle? Actually, what if I copied this? Nope. What if I copied this? Duplicate layer. Okay. I got my selection tool. And I want to transform this, right? Transform, rotate. Now, rotate. Right. Up here. Okay, I can do that. And then, right, like that. No, delete that. All right, let's do another one. Do a rectangle. Here, size is gonna be 65 by 65. All right, so here and then we're gonna rotate it approximately 45 degrees. Then we're gonna shift it. Oops, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Right there. Then we're gonna take. Then we're gonna take this. I don't know this software, dude. Oh my goodness. All right. I'm done with that. I'm not looking at that anymore. It's not working. Pretty sure I need an image. Name tag, name label image. I don't know. I don't want that. Text label image. Oh, here we go. Text. Card image. I don't know. Basically, I want shape images. Shape images. And I get little kid images. What I want is it to kind of be like that kind of shape, or just kind of, you know, where it's kind of like this maybe, but like this, kind of like this. This is what I want. This is what I want. But I don't want it this direction. So ribbon or price tag icon. I like that. Price tag. Price tag icon. I like that. Price tag ribbon. Very interesting. What's that? What's that? Icon finder. Perfect. Label. We're getting there. Label. Label is like the worst. Icons 8. Let's try that one. I don't think this is gonna be it though. This is gonna have like just like icons. No, I don't need tiny icons. I need a bigger icon. Like I don't even know what the name of it. Like I don't have paint. Oh my goodness. 308. C5. 308. Fill. Solid color. Black. Fill. Fill. No fill. Why isn't it filling? Okay, there we go. Can I do a custom color, edit color? Let's do this again. All right. It's amazing. It's so much easier in Paint. 11, 198, 227. 11, 198, 227. Add. Okay. This guy, Bill, you. Perfect. Look at that. Exactly what I wanted. So, pretty sure it's going to need to be 65 wide. Now, how do I rotate this? How do I rotate it, man? I don't know. That's not what I wanted to select. Goodbye. Goodbye. All right, so let's do this. Well, Paint is kind of good, I guess, but it's kind of not working. Still kind of not doing what I want it to do. All right, so let's fill this guy. And let's get our selector. Uh, 308 by 100. Why is it locked? Nope. 400. All right, this isn't working either. Name, badge, HTML, image, CSS. Okay. This is not working, man. Like this. I like this. But flip it and have no dot. Right? What's this? Pure CSS tags, Foursquare style. Okay. Oh, look at this right here. Okay. I like this. This is old too. I don't want the circle. So how do you get rid of that? Let's see. Height, line, position, margin, padding. Border right. Border. Box shadow, color. Then we add 2 CSX. Oh, because that gives it this. So one of these is for the circle. Okay. All right. I think I found it, everyone. I think I found what I want to use here. All right. So let's go here, and we are in our champion card. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna create a champion card.css, and we're going to copy. I don't need the after. I don't need the circle. Okay, so all right, formatting was terrible on the copy paste for some reason. All right, there we go. Did I pass in a color? Font color, background is this gray here. So this is I'm confused. I'm confused, man. All right. Pretty sure that's an image. This isn't. They're all images, though. Okay, what is tags? I don't know. Okay. Height 24 pixels. There's no width. I guess the width is going to be based on. So let's go width 308 pixels. Okay. Let's try this out. Let's go to our champion card here. We're gonna go a href. We're not gonna even have an href. Here we're just gonna put name. And we're gonna put in here name. Don't know why you want to put it in the same line, but okay. Oh, it didn't like it. Oh, okay, there it goes. What happened? Okay. Oh, look at that. Before, after. What is this? Oh. I like this. So No. Okay. So yeah, you're right. You're right. Thank you. Thank you, Blunt Given. Class name. Aye. Here, we're gonna say A. Say 4, and then we're gonna say name. Rip out all that stuff. I deleted one thing too many. Save that. Yes. I'll leave. You got this. Hey, thanks, Yoshi. Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate your help back there. That was really great. Helping me get to where I needed to get to. I really appreciate it. Before it's created automatically? Really? I don't need to do that? Okay. Thank you. Event names is defined. All right. The href is required. Href equals. H requires a valid value to blah, 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 blah. All right. So did it actually compile? Kind of. Look, they're there. Not working now. No. That's like I always forget to import the CSS. Okay. Kind of what I wanted. Whatever. I gotta change the coloring. I see that one's saying blue and that one's saying gray. I think if I change this here, let's inspect this color again. There. All right, save that. Save that. Back to here. Let's go class name equal color. Fix that one. Fix that one. Didn't fix that one. That's pretty interesting. I never knew about that before thing. Yeah, there it is. Very nice. Very nice. I wonder why the before is gray. Oh, I'm messing things up because I put this at 308. What is this width? 12. So 308 minus 12 is going to be 296. Okay, well, it definitely doesn't need to be that long. Okay, so that's good. Getting better. It's really ugly though. Change the color in before. Yeah, cause it's blue when it should be this guy. I also want to change the height here. Not line height. 48. No. 6. All right, I like that better. 36. Then also gonna have to add, I think I'm gonna have to make these 24. Everything's off now. Thank you for the follow, Blunt Given. You did the same thing with JavaScript. Nice. Well, I'm using React and it's a little better. Oh, there we go. There we go. That doesn't. That looks. Ugh. Ooh, definitely not right. Definitely, I guess it was 18. Okay. Now, this is... Okay, so... Champion card. Okay, so card holder. I want to justify its content. Center. All right, let's go to line items. React with JS. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing React with JS. Currently improving myself with React and Vue. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. How's that going? I have never done React before. I've done a little bit. Let's change tags. I've done a little bit of CSS and HTML before. Isn't Vue for the front end also? Why is it okay? You inspect. So you're fine. Tags. A4. No. I want to do it on. Yeah. No, I want to do it on this guy. Justify content. Well, okay. So, those did nothing. This guy did. Neither did that. So I want the text align. Center. Put display flex and justify. Oh, I gotta do the display, huh? Dude, you're on it, man. Display flex. Justify content center. Oh yeah. All right, so I still want. Does text align center still work? Yep. And then what about vertical align center? Ooh. No, vertical align doesn't work. All right, so I still want the name to be in the middle, but this definitely is like boom. Boom, pow. Thank you very much. I'm going to change this font size here to 24 because it looks kind of weak, the size that it is. I like that. Angular, not for you. Okay. Why not throw an Angular too? These are all valid questions. All right, so how do I get the text to the middle. Justify. I don't think it's justify content because I've already got that. I want vertical align middle, bottom. That doesn't do anything. I think, does that need to go into this guy? Because this is where the actual text is. Here we go. Text decoration none. Here we put vertical line, middle, nothing. Okay. Give line height same as height. Okay. It's pretty close. Jeez. Good stuff. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Made those mistakes too many times. I like this, sort of. Sort of. I don't like this. Let's do... Alright, so I'm just gonna 0, 18 pics. Does that flip it? I think it did. And then here we're gonna say right. And then we're gonna say positive 18, right? That should essentially push it out. Should, no, guess not. Like I don't even know where it went. All right, it's gone. It looks like it's still there. Lock shadow, border top right. Yeah. Margin. This is like left. Right. I think I have to change everything here. Like this would have to be 16. And this would have to be 0. And this would have to be 10. And then this would have to be 0. Really not doing anything. I'm not changing it. All right. Just getting rid of this stuff. All right. Well, that's okay. I guess that's okay. You still doing them? You feel silly when I remember I didn't import CSS? I know, right? And it's like, you know, and then you get to that point where you're like, I don't remember how to do this. I can't do this. How do I do this? And you Google the question, and then you end up finding your own answer somewhere on the internet that you posted. And that's what you're using to help you now. All right, so here we go. The silliest it is, right? All right. I'm happy, I'm kind of happy with this. I'm kind of happy and kind of not. I'm gonna have to get some better photo software that I can actually make something that looks nicer to go with this. I also need a home up here so that I can go back to the home page. Let's do that now, because I'm okay with this. What's up, Pomp Rocks? What's going on? No CSS grid here. Try to observe it on a deployed version. Hey, there's no a guy I used to work with. He was an older guy, and he used to always say, "There's no test like production," and it is a very true statement sometimes. Very true statement sometimes. All right, so I need to go back over to this guy. And here I want to add. Oh, that's what I want to do. I want to change this. So I want to have a model to represent this. New file. This is gonna be navigation item. Right? So here we're gonna export interface navigation item. And here we're gonna have, let's see, how do I define these? I don't even know. Okay, so here we're gonna have a name, and then we're gonna have path. Okay, we're gonna take two things in here, and we're going to name and path what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna go back here, and let's go to our header. And this is going to be an array of navigation item. And key is going to be, all right. Navigation item is going to be item. This will be item dot name for the key. Navigation item. So then we got to go into our nav item. And this is going to be a navigation item. This is going to be type here. So this is going to be navigation. I don't even need to do the two lowercase anymore. Navigation item dot path. Navigation item. Don't need to do any of this extra stuff here. Okay. What's going on here? You don't like that. This is going to be navigation item dot name. Oh, and we gotta, whoa, what don't you like? Okay, so that's somewhere else. So here, const nav item react.fc, and this is gonna be a nav item props equals you, we already know what that is. There we go. Let's fix this. File's fixed up. Now I've got to go ahead and pass these things in. Why not have the item nodes right in the header here? Very good question. So I could have done that. I could have done that. And now that I'm doing this, I just wanted, instead of blowing this up, I wanted it to be real easy just to pass in this array, and then it can build everything out however I want it to be, instead of having this big long page. Just trying to keep it real composable and real reusable. Okay, so navigation item so import from models navigation item. Put that in net. Come on. Come on, you know that's... All right, there we go. Perfect. Oh, so here we're gonna have new navigation item, right? Would it mean use the value? All right, so how do I declare these an item dot? So now do I need to go into here and give this a constructor? Name, string, path, string. No. Oh. You have to specify the type for all the elements when there's TypeScript. I'm not in. Yeah, you do. You do. You really do. You gotta specify them all. I kind of like that. This is not working. I don't. Okay. Let's see. TypeScript. New model. Donut model. Var donut model. Here you go. Var donut. So I have to do that. That seems kind of stupid, but whatever. So we got name, character, home, path, did that not work? You just pass an object. I know, but I want it to be a navigation item object because I told it was going to be a navigation item. So this is... Doesn't matter. It could be anything. Really? Okay. Okay, so... Name. Path. Okay. So export interface navigation item constructor. I thought I deleted that. No, I did not. Hey, I think it worked. Thank you very much. Wow. Home, characters. Oh wait, my state's not working though. Why is home? Still think it's selected. Very interesting. All right, I gotta. What's that? Okay. If I click on that, I can go back and click on both. But for some reason, home is still thinking that the state is there. Like the state's not getting reset on home. Okay. So, all right, I'm gonna try that. Third Let's go foo bar. It doesn't like it because of TypeScript. Oh. Very interesting. Very interesting. See, I was trying to create a new instance of it to pass that in. Oh. And TypeScript's automatically checking to make sure that it's of the right. Oh my goodness. Wow, I like that. Okay. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. I'm getting it. Okay, so for some reason, when I click the route, the nav link, active style is not getting reset. Try adding a third put / before the character path. Oh, let's see, where was that? Does it need one? Oh yeah, it definitely does. Definitely does. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. You know what though? I have that as a lowercase c. I wonder if that matters. So now when I click on that, it should be lowercase. Okay, so that uppercase was messing things up too. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Actually, I thought it would be fine with that. Maybe you have a compiler flag, or I'm just crazy. Well, I'm using TypeScript and ESLint and all that good stuff. So something in there is like, no, it's doing the check for me, which is very, very, very helpful. So now I've got to figure out this nav link. What happens if I go? Does it actually tell me anything? This is params. Yeah, nothing doesn't tell me. Oh, here we go. Are these the props? Active style is active. I think this is just my fault because this is actually always active because of this. So like possibly. I don't think it has anything to do with this. And I think it has everything to do with this guy here, right? Because if I did this, right, home, I did this. Oh. It has to be like this should be working. I don't get it. I'm not understanding why it's not working. Yeah, I don't need the navigation item type anymore. I've got my CSS in there. All right, let's Google it. Actually I don't need all these open anymore. All right, so React router navlink still showing active style. React router DOM will treat task and yeah as the same path. Change this add exact as an attribute. Okay. Exact. It is there. Good try. Thought that was going to be it. All right, so let's leave exact, and we're also going to put 2. I don't know. That was weird. That doesn't work at all. What'd I do? I think because this. Don't need to change the nav item. I'm not sure if follow. Not sure if follow. You don't need to change the nav item. Nav link. Oh, is that what I'm doing? Am I changing the wrong one? Yeah. Thank you. So I need to go exact. Thank you. Thank you. Problem was I was using things that were too similar. Okay. There we go. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Pop Rocks. Thank you very much. Thank you, Blunt. Given so much help today. So much. I'm really happy with the refactors that have gone on today. And with the changes and everything that has been made today. Do I even need that now? I mean, because that's on the route. Do I need that? I think so. I think so. Weird, right? I guess I need that there too. Okay. What's up, Bird Baby? What's happening? I know React well enough, but not React Router. No, you're exactly right. I totally put it in the wrong spot. I was not reading this properly. It was on navlink. Perfect. Yeah, got rid of a lot of warnings today. I added the type champion, created a type for the nav link, which allows me to pass in a name and a path for them, so I could dynamically add things as I'm going. You know, I could totally add another one super easy and have a whole new page just for that. So that's going really well. On Sunday, I think next, when I stream next, is we're gonna actually work on clicking on this and getting some more data back and displaying some more data about each of the what are the champions. This should also be called champions, not so let's champions. All right, I don't think that's gonna break anything. Wait, why did it break? Why did it break? Why did it? Oh, right here. There we go. So now, all right. So now it looks better. It doesn't say that. See you next. Yes, thank you. Please come out and help me some more. You guys have been a great help today. I'm also going to get rid of this ugly name label next time. I'm going to go play some Apex Legends right now. I don't know if you guys are into PC gaming and battle royales and that. I'm going to go play some Apex Legends right now. If you guys want to stick around for that, awesome. If not, thanks for hanging out. Really appreciate it. Set this game over to Apex Legends. Let's launch this thing. I'm really happy with the way things are turning out here. Really happy. I want some more content on this front page too. It's kind of plain. I like the image, but I'd like, you know, right in the center, League of Legends stat tracker or League of Legends companion or something. I don't know. Something in there.